There's a monster right there. So, it is September 3rd at about 11 a.m. Pretty much as of a couple hours ago. I decided I want to go camping today, which means you guys are coming too. What a mess in here. So the theme of this camping trip is going camping without a plan. Extremely last minute. All my camping gear is an absolute disaster. I feel like I say that a lot though. I have a very rough idea of where I want to camp, but beyond that, no plan. All right, a couple more things. We were on the road, Luca and I. He's in the back seat here. And yes, as I was saying, this is a very last minute camping trip. It's just gonna be an overnight. Basically, I have no plan. No idea what I'm gonna cook. I just literally threw everything into the back of the truck. And if you're new to my channel, my name's Jordy, and typically I make stuff and I camp and stuff. This is the first overnight I've done in this truck with the new suspension, front suspension, and new wheels and tires on it. Filmed all that in a previous video. I'll link it in the description below if you want to go ahead and take a look at that. Next stop is the grocery store, and then after that, the woods. Okay. I was just wondering if I could get one of those little plastic bowls. Small one's fine, yeah. No, it's just a water for my dog. Thank you. Hey, bud. Hi. What's up? What's up, huh? What's up, huh? Oh. Little pit stop here. Let Luca use the facilities, and then we are going out there. What are you doing? Huh? All right, we're back on the road. Got about an hour left until we get to the start of the forest road. It's not a campground I'm going to or anything. It's just this Forest Service road that has kind of campsites speckled along the whole road. You can find the road on Onyx. Maybe I'll shoot a map up here so you guys can take a peek at it. But about an hour, and then we'll hit the gravel. Start of the gravel road. We'll let this guy go by. There he goes. I want to bike one day. All right, we got quite a few more miles on this road, and then we'll start to get to the campsite. So much better on the new suspension and new wheels and tires. Holy cow. Go off the edge here. It's a long way down. Yeah, right here. But I think it'll work. We made it. We made it. We made it. Nice job. Here, bud. Whew. That was a good drive, but we made it. We're good. Not a bad view. He's happy to be out and about. And there's the truck. All right, well, Luke and I are just checking things out a little bit. Walking down the road some. Hey, come on. Come on. Good job. Good job. Look at him go. Yes. Good job, bud. Literally just threw everything back here. Right? Yeah, that's gonna take some organizing. Okay, that is a little better. Ooh, you know what? I know what I deserve. Worth it. Ooh. That thing was huge. So you want to lay in the dirt, bud? Even though your bed is right there? I swear, this guy. This dude. Alright, so it is time for Luca to eat. And he gets, he actually gets raw food. So this is raw, this one's beef mixed with like yams and some other vegetables and stuff. You ready, honey? Okay, ready? Sit. No. Okay. Good boy. Oh yeah, he's all about it. Get it. All right, he's gonna eat, and then I'm gonna eat. I need to make room for dinner before I make dinner and eat dinner, so you probably guess what that means. All right, now it is time for dinner. Doing some shaved steak with some ramen. I might use both. I might just use one. Not sure. And then just some green onions to top it off. It's weird, it keeps making a popping noise. And it's very annoying. Put some water in here. Probably good. Yeah, I'm gonna go hot and spicy because the other one's beef, and there's already beef in there. So, dude, it's like 8 o'clock. Go away. Go away. Friggin' bees. Just throw that in there. Got our packet. Oh yeah, that's the flavor right there. I think one is just fine. Now, I'm gonna chop up a little bit of green onion here. Did I wash it? No, I didn't. Am I camping? Yes, I am. Okay. good. Okay. Give her a little sprinkle. Oh yeah. All right, well, it's a little windy out, so we're gonna eat in the truck. Right, bud? Oh, I lost a leg on the camera tripod. Fantastic. Hey, buddy. That's where I was gonna sit. Okay, hey, bed. Go, bed, bed. Thank you. Ooh. Okay. I'm happy with it. My dishwasher's gonna lick it clean here. Okay, come on. Yeah. You gotta get up. Lick. All right, well, we're going to bed. Right? Yeah. Take these off. Good night. Good morning. Ugh. Somebody's awake. Okay, good. Should we go check it out? Should we go check things out? Yeah, let's do it. Yeah, I'll take this view in the morning, right? Okay, well. Do you want breakfast, dude? I want breakfast. No breakfast. And what do you say we wrap the day up with some fishing? How's that sound? Does that sound good? Give me a kiss. Hey. Hey. Give me a kiss. Thanks, bud. Okay, so I'm having to get a little creative with my coffee making this morning. I guess that's what happens when you go camping last minute with no plans and you forget your essentially coffee pot. Actually, the only cooking pot I have is the cast iron pan. So, boiling water, cup, strainer, coffee. Don't go too far, bud. We're gonna do this on the ground. All right, that's a cup of coffee right there. You want your breakfast now, dude? Okay. It does taste a little bit like washcloth, but it'll do the job. Alrighty. Time to go. Okay, headed down the mountain right now. So, yeah. Got a little spot up there. Now, time to fish, I guess. Do some fly fishing. Chances are low that I catch a fish, but if you've seen some of my past videos, you know that my chances of catching fish are pretty much always low, regardless. So, we'll see how it goes this time. Next spot. Is there a path here? I'm gonna go take a peek. Okay, I've decided. Gonna fish here. Probably just get some little guys, if anything, but it's actually pretty decent. So I actually ended up using my 5-weight rod because my 3-weight was absolutely tangled. But okay, we're gonna start small with a little parachute Adams here. Okay, I'm gonna cast right in there. Oh, monster. There's a monster right there. Yeah, they're bumping it, but come on. Oh, there's that huge one. See those right there? That's fish. Gonna try one more spot over here. Oh. Okay, well. Got a little guy. There he is. The fish catch of the day. There he goes. Come on, that way. He's gone. He's gone. All right, that's it. I'm calling it. We got the 1 ounce fish. Yeah, that's fishing on my channel pretty much. Sorry, guys. Okay. Well, technically, I did catch a fish, but, oh, and I did set a record for the smallest fish that I've ever caught. So, I don't know if that's something to brag about, but it happened. I'm gonna call it here. It was a good little trip, right, buddy? Yeah. So, and yeah, first trip on the new wheels and tires and suspension. So, pretty stoked about that. But, all right. As always, thank you guys for watching. And as always, we made it.